Hello everyone, welcome to another knowledge sharing video. Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube playlist onto a Joomla website. So the original use case was to display all live stream items that are part of a playlist on a website. But this would apply to any playlist, so it doesn't have to be a live stream. So you can display any playlist from YouTube. So this is a demo, how it is displayed on my demo website. And the way I achieved this is by creating a Joomla module. So it could be used multiple times. And the module is available on my GitHub repository, and you are free to download, extend and use as you see fit. And there's also a link to the documentation to the relevant topics. So we can see in action, so this is the list and the module is in the backend here. So the first is the API URL, which is predefined, which is part of the module. Then the API key, and then we need a playlist ID and the response attributes. This is also predefined in the module. So first of all, see how we can get the API key, because that is very crucial and it's a process that you have to follow. And you need a Google account, Google Cloud account to be specific. Then you have to look into the Google Cloud and go to API and services. Then you have to create credential. So if you create a credential, you have to select API key. So once API key is generated, it will be here. You can click on it, and then you can restrict by websites or IP addresses. I would recommend that, because it will make sure that nobody else is going to misuse your key. And another restriction is the application, the API service that your key belongs to. So in this case, it has to be YouTube Data API version 3. So that is selected here, and then save. Sometimes you may not see YouTube Data API v3 in the list. It's because the service isn't enabled yet. In this case, you have to go to API services and the API library, and then search for API YouTube Data API version 3, and it will be here, and then click on that, and you will see that it isn't enabled. In that case, just hit enable. So once it's enabled, and then come back to your API key restriction, and you will see it will appear here in the list. Then tick the box, click OK and save. So once you've done that, you got the keys ready, and copy that key, come back to Joomla module, put the key here. And the second one is the playlist. So in order to get the playlist ID, you have to go to your YouTube. So in this case, I wanted to display my tutorial playlist on my website. So if you open it, open the playlist, it will be in the browser address bar. You can see the ID. The query parameter is called list. So you can copy that, copy the key, come back to your module, and then paste it here, and then hit save. That's it. So once you've done that, go to your website. So the list will be displayed here. 3 items in a row. And also the good thing is that for every video, there is obviously a start image, and that image will be pulled automatically and displayed here. And since it's a Joomla module, you can extend the layout, so you can override the layout in your template, and play around whatever you like, you need to do in your need. So that's pretty much it. And how the module gets displayed, etc., it's more like how you do things in Joomla. So in this case, I assign to a position YouTube playlist, and that position is being rendered on the home page, just to simplify this tutorial, this demo. So that's everything I wanted to share. Hope this is useful to you. Feel free to download, extend, and share with other people if somebody has the same use case. Thank you for watching. Thanks very much.